In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Binance Australia account, verify your identity, link your Australian bank account, and buy or sell crypto using AUD. To get started, create your Binance Australia account. When you sign up, make sure you're using the official Binance platform for Australia so you can access AUD deposits and withdrawals. Follow the prompts to register your account, then complete the identity verification process. This step is important because it unlocks the ability to deposit Australian dollars, trade, and withdraw funds securely. Have your identification ready and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. The verification process may take a little time, so be patient and make sure all details match your documents exactly. Once your account is set up and verified, the next step is to link your Australian bank account using PayID or OSCO. This is one of the easiest ways to move Australian dollars into your Binance account because deposits are typically instant and there are usually no fees for AUD bank deposits. When linking your bank account, double check that the account details are correct. Accuracy matters here because using the right banking method helps ensure your funds arrive quickly and without issues. After your bank account is connected, you're ready to buy crypto. Go to the Buy Crypto section, then choose AUD as your payment currency. From there, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, such as Bitcoin or USDT. Enter the amount of Australian dollars you'd like to spend, review the details of your order, and confirm the purchase. Before you finalize it, take a moment to check the conversion rate and the amount of crypto you'll receive. This quick review can help you avoid mistakes and make sure the transaction matches your expectations. If you want to sell your crypto later, the process is also straightforward. Select the sell option, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, and convert it into AUD. Review the sale details carefully, then confirm the transaction. Once the funds are in Australian dollars, you can withdraw the AUD directly back to your linked bank account using PayID. This makes it simple to move money from your Binance account back into your everyday banking. As a final tip, always review each transaction before confirming, especially when entering amounts or selecting the crypto you want to trade. Taking a few extra seconds can save you from costly errors. And that's it. You now know how to create a Binance Australia account, verify your identity, link your bank account, buy crypto with AUD, and sell it back to AUD for withdrawal.